demands. Section 7. Memories on Wheels. The Fiesta's enduring legacy. The Ford Fiesta may be gone, but it will never be forgotten. This little car has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. For many it was their first taste of freedom, their first car, their first love. It was a car that was always there for you, dependable, affordable, and always up for a good time. The Fiesta's legacy is one of fun, affordability, and practicality. It proved that you didn't need to spend a fortune to own a car that was both stylish and fun to drive. It democratized performance, making it accessible to the masses. And for that, it will always hold a special place in our hearts. So, as we say goodbye to the Fiesta, let's remember all the good times, all the adventures, and all the memories made behind the wheel of this iconic car. It may be gone, but it will never be forgotten. Section 8. A final salute to a small car champion. The 2024 Ford Fiesta is a fitting send-off for a true automotive icon. It's a car that embodies everything that made the Fiesta great: fun, affordability, and practicality. It's a bittersweet moment saying goodbye to a car that has been such a big part of our lives. But let's not dwell on the sadness. Instead, let's celebrate the Fiesta's incredible journey. Let's remember all the smiles it brought to our faces, all the adventures it took us on, and all the memories it helped us create. The Ford Fiesta may be gone, but its spirit will live on. Cheers to the Ford Fiesta, a small car champion that will forever hold a special place in our hearts.